Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to hide photos and videos on your iPad mini 2024. Let's start it. Select the photo or video you want to hide. You can tap and hold to hide the photo. Of course, you can hide more than one photo at the same time. In this case, tap on the select button at the top, choose the photos, and at the bottom tap on the 3-dot button and select hide. If you want to view your hidden content, scroll down to find the utilities section and there you will see the hidden album. Select the photo or video you want to unhide. Long press on the photo or video you want to unhide and tap on unhide. That's it, we are done. At the end of my video, let me ask you a small favor. As you can see, most of my viewers are not subscribed. If you find my video helpful, please take a second to give a like and click on the subscribe button to help my videos reach more people. Thank you and see you in the next one.